New details tonight on a Count on 2 investigation. News 2's Rebecca Collette exposed problems with teacher health benefits in Berkeley County last month and has been working for additional answers since then. She joins us now with the latest.
The Berkeley County School District confirmed there were 80 individuals impacted by the enrollment error, but the issue has been resolved. The commonality in employees is that they were either new to the school district or making benefit changes. Through my investigation, I discovered that an error made by the Berkeley County School District contractor hired to enroll staff during open enrollment made mistakes, leaving the employees without their benefits. You wouldn't know unless you tried to use that benefit because the employees were paying premiums and had even received letters confirming their enrollment. I started investigating the issue after a local teacher called me when her prescriptions weren't covered. I obtained a letter between PIBA and the school district's contractor that explained, quote, "Due to our lack of initial education on the SC-PIBA system, mistakes were made by First Financial representatives." Reimbursements are being handled on a case-by-case basis, depending on the individual situation. And in many cases, the coverage is retroactive, and providers are being asked to resubmit bills. Rebecca Collette, Count on 2.